we are now seeing that state agencies and funding agencies are valuing maintenance. For a long time, it seemed like the development of fuel breaks was the epitome of what you get funded for, new acres treated. And now the idea of having thoughtfully, strategically developed fuel breaks that are serving that purpose, keeping them at a point that they are serving that purpose. So being able to fund maintenance. And so we are working with our partners of BLM, SNC, to develop maintenance strategies and figuring out ways of funding maintenance of these projects and also strategically looking at what maintenance looks like. And so actually through the Sierra Nevada Conservancy RFFCP money, developing a maintenance protocol is one of the primary goals of that. So getting that approved by not only the Fire Safe Council, but project partners, so that we can have a unified understanding of what the on-the-ground goals are, and then how quickly and what management types we will need into the future.